Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream from powder. First, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You will need 1 packet of whipped cream powder, 1 cup of very cold milk, and a clean mixing bowl. Make sure your milk is chilled to between 35 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit for the best outcome. Also, have an electric mixer or a sturdy whisk ready to go. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Carefully pour the 1 cup of very cold milk into your clean mixing bowl. Then, add the entire packet of whipped cream powder directly into the milk. Start your electric mixer on a low speed or begin whisking gently to slowly incorporate the powder into the liquid. This initial step helps prevent any powder from flying out of the bowl. Once the powder is fully incorporated, gradually increase your mixer speed to medium-high. Continue whipping steadily, watching as the mixture thickens and volume increases. You will notice soft peaks starting to form, indicating it's almost ready. For a firmer whipped cream, keep whipping until stiff peaks hold their shape when you lift the beaters. Be careful not to overwhip. Your delicious homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. For the freshest taste and texture, serve it immediately with your favorite desserts. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and place it in the refrigerator right away. It will stay fresh for about 2 to 3 days. Enjoy this simple, delightful treat on pies, fruits, or hot beverages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.